Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add a new domain on Hostinger in just a few easy steps. Whether you're setting up a brand new website or adding another domain to your hosting plan, the process is simple and quick. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to hostinger.com. On the homepage, click the login button at the top right and enter your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger H panel. This is your control center for managing hosting, domains, and all settings. From the H panel, look for the section labeled Domains and click on it. This is where you'll manage your domain settings. Inside the Domain section, click on Domain Portfolio. Here you'll see all the domains currently linked to your account. At the top of the page, click on the option to add a new domain. You'll now be able to search for and purchase a new domain name. Enter the domain name you want into the search field. If your first choice isn't available, Hostinger will suggest alternatives. Once you've found one that works, hit search and then select it. Click to proceed with purchase. Review your domain spelling and registration details, then complete the payment. The process is secure and fast. After purchase, your new domain will appear inside your domain portfolio, ready to be connected to your website or project, and that's it. You've successfully added a new domain to your Hostinger account. This simple process makes expanding your online presence easy. If you ever run into issues, Hostinger's support team is always available. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.